Video title: Why you feel tired all the time after 50 and how to fix it. Intro: Feeling tired all the time after 50 isn't just part of getting older. It's your body trying to tell you something. Fatigue at this stage of life often has hidden causes, and most of them are fixable. Today, we'll break down the real reasons behind low energy after 50. And more importantly, how to boost your energy naturally, safely, and long-term. 1. Low vitamin B12 levels. Vitamin B12 plays a major role in energy production, brain function, and red blood cell formation. As you age, your body absorbs less of it, especially if you take medications, like antacids or diabetes drugs. Symptoms: constant tiredness, memory issues, tingling in hands or feet. Fix: get your B12 levels tested. Add more eggs, dairy, fish, or take a supplement if needed, but only after your doctor's advice. 2. Dehydration. Your sense of thirst weakens as you age, so you may be dehydrated without even realizing it. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, and brain fog. Fix: don't wait to feel thirsty. Set a reminder to drink water every 1 to 2 hours. Also eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. 3. Poor sleep quality. Sleep changes after 50, lighter sleep, more bathroom trips, and waking up feeling tired. This isn't just annoying. Long-term poor sleep affects energy, mood, and immune function. Fix: keep a strict sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Turn off screens an hour before bed. And keep your bedroom cool and dark. You can also try natural supplements, like magnesium or melatonin, but only after doctor approval. 4. Undiagnosed sleep apnea. If you snore loudly, wake up gasping, or feel tired even after 8 hours of sleep, you might have sleep apnea. It interrupts your breathing during sleep, reducing oxygen and causing extreme daytime fatigue. Fix: talk to a doctor about getting a sleep study. Treatment options include CPAP machines, dental devices, and lifestyle changes like weight loss. 5. Over-reliance on sugar or caffeine. Sugar and caffeine give a quick energy spike, but it crashes fast, leaving you more tired than before. This roller coaster worsens fatigue, especially after 50. Fix: choose slow-burning energy. Whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Switch to green tea or herbal alternatives. Focus on stable energy, not quick fixes. 6. Iron deficiency or anemia. Fatigue with pale skin, shortness of breath, or cold hands might point to low iron. This is more common in women over 50 and people with poor diet or gut issues. Fix: get your iron levels tested. If low, include spinach, lentils, red meat, and iron-rich cereals. Pair with vitamin C to help absorption. 7. Underactive thyroid. Hypothyroidism. An underactive thyroid slows your entire metabolism. It's a very common cause of fatigue after 50, especially in women. Symptoms: constant tiredness, weight gain, cold sensitivity, dry skin or hair loss. Fix: ask your doctor for a thyroid blood test. If levels are low, medication can restore energy quickly. 8. Lack of physical activity. It sounds strange, but the less you move, the more tired you feel. Your body needs movement to stay energized. Without it, circulation slows, muscles weaken, and fatigue sets in. Fix: walk for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Do light stretching or yoga. You'll feel more awake and refreshed, not more tired. 9. Chronic stress or emotional burnout. Stress drains both mental and physical energy. After 50, Managing responsibilities, health issues, or loneliness can take a bigger toll. Fix. Practice relaxation, breathing exercises, journaling, or short breaks during the day. Talk to someone, a friend, therapist, or support group. Emotional health is directly linked to physical energy. 10. Poor nutrition choices. Relying on quick meals, skipping breakfast, or eating heavy dinners can drain your energy. Your body needs fuel, and after 50, it needs the right kind of fuel. Fix. Eat smaller meals more often. Focus on high-fiber foods, lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, omega-3 rich fats. Avoid processed food, fried items, and too much salt or sugar. Final thoughts. Feeling tired all the time is not just aging. It's a sign your body needs support. Check your habits. Get tested. Make simple daily changes. Because more energy means more life. And you deserve to live every day feeling awake, active and alive. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more wellness tips. And share it with someone who needs a little more energy today.